Massive melting of glaciers has tilted the planet's rotation by showing the impact of human activities. The latest analysis of 40 years of satellite data shows that it is almost certain that humans are actively causing global climate change. Since the 1950s, there is at least a 95% chance that human activities were raising the heat at the Earth's surface had reached a 5 sigma level. It reached 5 sigma levels in global warming by 2005. By 2016, global warming reached the third. Greater Earth's axial tilt angle. Each hemisphere receives more solar radiation during its summer when the hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, while less during winter, when it is tilted away. Secular polar drift underwent a directional change in the 1990s. The pole of the Earth is the point where the rotation axis of the Earth intersects the crust in the northern hemisphere. In the 1990s, it drifted in a new eastward direction. This was observed by space geodetic observation. Generally, polar motion is caused by changes in the hydrosphere, atmosphere, as well as by ocean, or solid Earth. However, changes in terrestrial water storage capacity limited to a better understanding for the new polar drifts in the 1990s. This study introduces a novel method for quantifying the contribution of changes in land storage capacity by comparing the drift paths under two different conditions. One scenario assumes that the changes in land water storage during the entire study period, 1981 to 2020, are similar to those observed recently, 2002 to 2020. The second case assumes that it is different from the observed melting of glacier ice. The atmosphere, oceans and solid Earth are consistent with the polar motion during 1981 to 2020. Therefore, the accelerated decline of land water storage is caused by the melting of glacier ice as the main driving force for the rapid drift of the polar regions to the east after the 1990s. This new discovery shows that there is a close relationship between polar movement and climate change in the past. 95% of the oldest and thickest ice in the Arctic is already gone. The last 4 years have been the hottest since records began in the 19th century.